Michelle and Laurie here. We've had our Lance trailer for 2 full years going on to the 3rd year. It's time to personalize it a little bit. What are we going to do, Laurie?
So we've decided to upgrade our flooring and do the install ourselves.
A year ago, I went to the RV open house in Elkhart, and I got to see so many RVs, and many of the higher end RVs had this really nice cushy floor. It wasn't rug, it was a vinyl woven top, but it was cushy and so nice under the feet. So we're going to use this product and do it ourselves.
And you get to come along for the
And you
fun.
get to come along for the ride. Our samples have arrived, and we have to perhaps eliminate some first.
Okay.
Okay?
That one right there. Yeah, it reminds me of like a polyester gray suit.
That's a good one, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we brought a sample of linoleum that we had in the house. And I just want to show you,
The difference in
you can
thickness.
see the difference in the thickness of these samples. Check this out. And imagine that under your feet
Right.
with an impervious water washable top. This one is, I think it'd be great in a boat. I know they also install these in boats. That one? I don't know. We have to look at that one on the floor. Put that back. Pick another one.
Okay, bye.
All right. To me, it's not enough pizzazz that we're looking for.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have 4 more to choose from. Can you see
why don't
them?
we put them on the floor and see what they look like?
That's what we're going to do. In the back of these samples, there are labels. This flooring comes in heavy duty, compact cushion, and ultra thin backing. So you have a choice of how thick this comes. I think this has some pizzazz. So these are our 3 finalists. Oh, not easy, Laurie.
No, it's not.
The middle gray is pretty. The one on the left, that it's just too brown. This one.
This one is the winner.
To us, it really works. And if we decide to bring in some other funky pattern, I don't think it'll clash. I think it'll look great. It even looks good with the stainless. So, okay, decision made. Some of the other places we're going to put this, besides obviously the floor, are underneath the cupboards and also where your feet kick here. We have had some scratches and nicks and unsightly little things, so we wanted to protect this board, so we're going to do that as well. We know this flooring comes 8 feet 6 inches wide. Laurie took all the measurements as I put them down here and roughly sketched out on graph paper what we need. Most important, because I'm going to refine this, are that these dimensions are exact. So I will lay this out carefully using the dimensions and figure out how much of this flooring we need to order, and also take into consideration the extra pieces that we're hoping for. Once you've figured out exactly how much flooring you need, you can order it online through infinitylwv.com/apps/store-locator. And that will take you to this screen right here. 01516 is our location here, and we have several places that we can order the material from. All right, so our luxury woven vinyl flooring has been ordered. Watch for us next week on Rollin on TV, where you see us actually install